Hi! Hello! Welcome to Bisaya Language Philippines. Today, let's learn the word silang. 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 Silang is a plural personal case marker. It is used to introduce plural personal nouns or pronouns as the subject of a sentence. It is used to mean they, specifically when referring to people, and followed by a descriptive word or noun. Main uses of silang. Number 1. Marks multiple proper names as the subject. Used to indicate that two or more named individuals are the doers of the action. Structure. Silang plus name 1 plus og plus name 2 plus verb plus other elements. Examples. Number 1. Silang Ana ug Pedro nagbasa og libro. Silang Ana og Pedro nagbasa og libro. Ana and Pedro are reading a book. Number 2. Silang Marco, Liza ug Kevin niadto sa simbahan. Silang Marco, Liza ug Kevin niadto sa simbahan. Marco, Liza, and Kevin went to church. Number 2. Used in commands. Imperative sentences. When giving commands involving named people, example, to call or wait for them. Structure. Verb plus silang plus names. Examples. Number 1. Tawga. Silang Julie og Ben. Tawga. Silang Julie og Ben. Call Julie and Ben. Number 2. Hulata silang Carlo og Rina. Hulata silang Carlo og Rina. Wait for Carlo and Rina. Number 3. Used in questions. Interrogative sentences. When asking about two or more named people. Examples. Number 1. Silang Jessa ug Mark ba ang imong igsuon? Silang, Jessa, og Mark ba ang imong igsuon? Are Jessa and Mark your siblings? Number 2. Kinsa silang duha ang nagsayaw sa entablado? Kinsa? Silang, duha, ang, sayaw, sa, entablado. Who are those two dancing on stage? Number 4. Used in negative sentences. When saying that the named people did not do something. Examples. Number 1. Wala silang Ella ug Pablo miapil sa contest. Wala silang Ella og Pablo miapil sa contest. Ella and Pablo didn't join the contest. Number 2. Dili silang Tony o Grace moanha karon. Dili silang Tony og Grace moanha karon. Tony and Grace will not come today. Number 5. Used in passive-like or descriptive constructions. When the focus is on the experience or state involving multiple named people. Examples. Number 1. Gitawag silang Ana o Brian sa ilang mama. Gitawag silang Ella og Brian sa ilang mama. Ella and Brian were called by their mom. Number 2. Gihatagan silang Leia og Luke og regalo. Gihatagan silang Leia og Luke og regalo. Leia and Luke were given gifts. Number 6. With quantifiers. Duha, tulo, usa, tanan, etc. 2, 3, 1, all. Examples. Number 1. Silang duha nagtan-aw og salida. Silang duha tan-aw og salida. The two of them watch a movie. Number 2. Silang tanan nitabang sa trabaho. Silang tanan ni tabang sa trabaho. All of them help with the work. Number 7. To emphasize a group as subject with adjectives or roles. When you want to highlight or point out that a group did the action, use silang. Example. Silang mga kusgan maoy nakadaog. Silang mga kusgan maoy nakadaog. Silang mga kusgan maoy nakadaog. The strong ones won. Daghang salamat. Thank you. Padayon lang. Keep it going.